Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up a bubble graphic that you're going to make for your last homework. In this, for these assignments, we've been working on the cell and diffusion and the cell membrane. And we're going to make one for the cell membrane. I've assigned 2 videos for you to watch on the cell membrane just to follow up and add some more information for you. Then you're going to make this bubble graphic just on a regular piece of copy paper, make the circles. The term you're going to do is cell membrane. Now, I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you what you need to put on, and then I'll give you an example of how you would do that. But you're going to do the cell membrane, and you're going to say in one bubble, what is it? And then one of the main components of the cell membrane, important terms that go with it, why it matters, and the connection to biology or the biology connection. And you're just going to make this and then bring it with you to class, and then we'll share with other students when you're done. Okay, so here's an example. I've made one for an organelle. Okay, so then in this, you then click on, you're going to add what it is, you're going to list the main components, the important terms, why it matters, and biology connection. So here, we could say, what is it? The little organ of the cell. You may have to make this bigger. Let me see if we can do this. Little organ of the cell. I have to make this one bigger. That's okay, we can do that. So that's what it is, little organ of the cell. The main components, I'll come back to that. Important terms, we could say at any organelle we want. We could say nucleus, we could say eukaryotic, we could say, bigger on this one, reposition. But you could say a lot of different things for this. So any of the organelles you could put in here. I'm just going to put a few in here. Eukaryotic, we could say Golgi body. That's 3 you could put, but you should put more. I mean, there's quite a few here. You can make this bubble as big as you want. And, I'm just kind of limited by what I've already created. But I could make it bigger, right? And just keep adding. Okay, and then why it matters. You would say helps, something like helps cell complete important functions. That's 1. You could even say allows the cell to be complete. Say that. Okay, we'll have to make this bigger again. I'm just kind of messing around here. So there's that one, right? I could even make this one go bigger, right? Like that. Okay, so you can put as many of those as you want. And then the biology connection, it is, I would say, main part of the fundamental unit of life. So the organelle is the main part of the cell. That's that fundamental unit of life. So that's why it's connection to biology, because we know that the main characteristic of all living things that drives all the other ones is the cell. So, and then it helps explain a lot of the other ones. So it's the main part of that. Organelles help really define what the cell is. So the main term goes in the middle, then you list around it, like what's its definition, what is it, main components. This one, I'm not sure what we could put for this, but it has membranes. We could put a few things like eukaryotic, perhaps. Some of these can be a little bit harder. Do your best on some. They don't always fit with every single one, but do your best on that. And that's kind of how you make one. You can draw it by hand. I'm just doing it on here so it's easier to show you the video. The one you're going to do is going to be on the cell membrane. And you're going to put these things in here. What is it? Define it. What are its main components? What are some important terms that go with it to help describe it and understand it better? Why does it matter? And what is its connection to biology? So that should help you construct that. Bring that to class Tuesday, and I'll also be posting the next review, the first unit review for the test. We won't have any notes. You're going to be working on that instead. Okay, see you soon.